This question asks us to predict the product of this reaction, including the relative stereochemistry. We're reacting an alkene with elemental chlorine in the presence of water. Without the presence of water, this would add chlorine across the double bond, gives us an anti-dichloride. In the presence of water, we're forming a halohydrin. We'll add chlorine to one side and water to the other side. Water will add to the more substituted side of this particular reagent, and so our product will end up looking like this, where we'll have oxygen on the internal carbon and chlorine on the terminal carbon. The carbon bearing the oxygen group is a new stereocenter. The carbon bearing the chlorine is not. When this forms, it can form as a mixture of enantiomers, so we'll show both possible enantiomers for this product. This racemic mixture of enantiomers is the product of this electrophilic addition reaction.